These are the lowest calorie protein Oreo donuts that are only 95 calories each, which means you can eat 4 of mine for the same amount of calories as one of these store-bought donuts. In a bowl, add oat flour, some black cocoa powder, brown sweetener, baking powder, a dash of salt, mix it all together, then add a whisked egg with some vanilla yogurt and vanilla extract, then mix it all together until it's thick and smooth. Evenly pour the mixture in a greased donut tray, then bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. Once done, let it cool for 10 minutes and flip them over. And for the Oreo frosting, mix together vanilla yogurt with cookies and cream protein powder, dip each donut in the frosting, then drizzle on some chocolate sauce with a bag of mini crushed Oreos on top, place it in the fridge to let the frosting thicken, and that's it. Keep them in the fridge or if you love fried chicken but you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, this crispy Korean popcorn chicken and rice has nearly 50 grams of protein for only 500 calories, is so easy to make and perfect for meal prep. To your diced chicken breast, add white pepper, garlic and onion powder, diced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, 1 egg, a tiny bit of black pepper, and mix it all together. Then in a bowl add potato starch, coat every piece of chicken evenly, spray them generously with light cooking oil spray, and air fry or oven bake with the settings on screen until golden brown and crispy. Now for the Korean glaze, to a pan on low heat, add equal parts soy sauce and water, add some chili paste, natural sweetener, more garlic, ginger, a drizzle of honey with some white vinegar, and help it thicken. Mix it together, and once the sauce is nice and sweet and thick like you, add the chicken back in and mix it well to coat it completely. Now divide it into 4 equal servings with white rice or your choice of. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle but love mac and cheese, this honey garlic chicken mac and cheese has 60 grams of protein per serving, is so easy to make and perfect for meal prep. Start by grabbing your diced chicken breast, add some olive oil with the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, mix it well, then cook it on medium to high heat, and once the chicken's cooked, set it aside. Now cook up some diced garlic followed by some soy sauce and water with some chili flakes and cornstarch mixed with water to help the sauce thicken. Take it off the heat, add some honey, add the chicken back in and mix it all together. Add some more garlic followed by light cream cheese, a bit of chicken stock powder, followed by light cheddar cheese. Mix and let it melt while you cook your pasta on the stove, and once the cheese is creamy, add the cooked and drained pasta and mix it together until it sounds like something you've heard before. Now divide the honey garlic chicken and the mac and cheese into 4 equal.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing.